Hi, it's DOT Operating Authority with the educational YouTube series on how to form a trucking company. Today, we are going to make Unified Carrier Registration, UCR, clear to you once and for all. Unified Carrier Registration. UCR came to replace the Single State Registration System, SSRS. This is an agreement among the states set up by Congress regulating the collection and distribution of registration information and information about fees paid to states by motor carriers. Again, it's a system that the government put in place to help U.S. states collect and share information about truck companies between them and make sure that they have no outstanding fees to pay to the government. It applies to all operators of commercial motor vehicles crossing state lines. This includes freight forwarders, brokers, and both for-hire and private motor carriers hauling their own goods and products across state lines. It also includes carriers transporting interstate goods, even if vehicles do not leave the state, but the product does. For example, if you haul product into a concentration yard and the product is eventually transferred to another truck or placed on rail that delivers it across the state. Not every state in the country is a part of this agreement. If the state you're based in does not participate in the program, you are required to register and pay your UCR fee through a neighboring participating state. Currently, the following states are not participating: Arizona, Florida, Hawaii, Maryland, Nevada, New Jersey, Oregon, Vermont, Wyoming, and District of Columbia. So if you're from Nevada, consider signing up with California. Your UCR fee depends on the number of commercial motor vehicles in the fleet owned or operated by you. Remember, trailers are not included in fleet size. Please also remember some credit card payments are not accepted for these fees. Contact DOT Operating Authority for processing. Failure to pay your UCR fee will hurt your business. If you cross into a UCR participating state without having paid your fee, the state and its US DOT officers will pull your trucks off the road immediately. They will not release them until your UCR fees are paid in full. You will also be subject to additional fines and penalties. Depending on which state you're from, the fine ranges from $100 to $5,000 for first-time offenders. The damage and cost to your business will be detrimental. Why risk hurting a customer relationship or your business by not paying your UCR? If you are waiting for a reminder to pay your fees, don't. You may or may not get a notice. Your UCR participating state may elect not to remit any notices, or you may reside in a non-participating state. However, you are still expected to pay your UCR fee, regardless of whether you ever received a notice. For the most part, states are relying on you to remember, or process service agencies to inform you of your pending UCR fees. UCR Renewal. Renewing your UCR registration each year will secure the smooth operation of your interstate business. UCR renewal rates depend on your business classification. Brokers, freight forwarders, and leasing companies pay the lowest registration fees. If you're a carrier, your renewal fee is, again, based on how many trucks you have listed on your US DOT. All clear? Good. Still have questions? Call us. Whether you are setting up your initial UCR registration or need help with your renewal, our professional team ensures your registrations and filings are handled accurately and in a timely manner. That's it for this video. See you next time.